So we've been running errands this morning and just pulled up to see this. Guys, this means some progress is being made with ONG finally, and hopefully maybe things will get kicked into high gear from here. This may stay here, it may not, I can't decide. This is just walking into our room, and we're gonna start slowly bringing stuff to the house from storage and making decisions. Okay, so yesterday we were not able to be here, and when I pulled up I showed you that the equipment was here, so they finally, ONG, Oklahoma Natural Gas, finally got our trench dug. No line yet though, so still waiting for that. And once we have this gas, we can actually move in. So many of you are asking, like, what's the holdup? Why are you guys not moving in? Well, that's it.
I had a couple of hours this morning right before lunch, and I trimmed out the front door and I cased this front window like we've done the others. And we just came over for Karen to look and see, and she can't help herself. She just got to work. So she's caulking them so that they'll be dry by the time we come tomorrow and she can finish painting them. Got to finish out that window and got to finish out that window as well. So I'll do those tomorrow while she's painting and filling in the holes. And then I'm probably also gonna play around with this space and see if I can't make it look really pretty as well. So we'll see. All that right now, it's just leftover foam. It's everywhere, but it seals great. And then we just get the oscillating saw out, trim it all back, and then I'll put a backing on that and then trim it out, and it'll just look like it was a hand-crafted bookshelf entertainment center. We'll see.
Hey guys, thought I'd share with you a little bit in regards to some of these windows. And if you'll notice, I've shimmed up these inconsistencies with the window itself. If you look here, you have a lot of reveal, and down at the bottom you don't. The window is straight in some regards, but then fitting it into the spaces. So I shimmed this side up, and then once we get the sideboards on, they'll be perfectly straight and come. So I'll show you the finished product, but I just thought I'd share that with you. I know sometimes we get a little frustrated by things that aren't exactly straight, but when it's all said and done, it'll be perfectly straight.
I may not have a video, but I can sneak and put in windows. Look at that. Perfect.
So here is the completed window. So see, even though your windows may be crazy, you can always get them straight.
Mike is about to shiplap my little bookshelfy wall for me here while I am painting windows and trim in the living room. So you're gonna get to watch this in time lapse. And here we're covering up the last of the sentiments that some of our church friends and family wrote. I had been a little indecisive on how I wanted the shiplap done on this wall, either vertical or horizontal, and I'm so thrilled with how it turned out doing it vertical. So here we are celebrating, and I may or may not have cried just a little bit. It's so perfect. I love it, love it, love it. And it will all be painted white. Where it's wood, it will be white. I've got to paint it still. And then shelves, I'm undecided on what I want there. but those can always be added later. But doesn't it look so good? He's so good. Now that we've got the little bookcase all finished out with shiplap, we're gonna go ahead and trim out the rest of this room. You know, I truly miss waking up each day and going straight into my studio with my coffee and designing and creating, and I just absolutely cannot wait to be in here doing just that soon and very soon. Okay, so it is Thursday and we've been doing a lot of painting and
Painting.
and painting.
I think she's done some painting.
And Mike's been putting trim in.
I'm just adding to her workload.
He is, it's crazy. So my studio is pretty well trimmed out. I mean, we can't do some of them until we decide if cabinets are going in here or what's going in here, but lots of painting and trimming today. And this weekend, we have family coming in town. I won't be here tomorrow because I will be entertaining family or going with family to entertainment. But Mike will be here, so you better do some vlogging.
I'll try and remember.
He's got to work on those video skills.
Keep my phone out of the way, that's the biggest thing.
But he'll be on his own tomorrow. If we swing by, we'll video for him. But our family has not seen the farm since week 10 or 11, right around Curry and Braden's wedding time. So I'm really excited for the ladies to see the farm in person again. It's changed just a little bit since they were here last.
Yeah, maybe this much.
Yeah, so that'll be exciting, and hopefully Mike will show you cool stuff tomorrow. So you may remember my sweet little niece, Carly June, from wedding week as well. Well, they rolled in late last night, and here we are being silly bright and early this morning. When Mike arrived at the farm this morning, ONG was there and working on the gas lines. So hopefully lots of progress today and a meter on Monday. My mom and Curry and I got out this morning and went shopping at Kirkland's for a little bit. We bought our modular couch here for the farm, and I'm sort of kind of really into the Kirkland's decor, so I needed to go spend my rewards points there. We met the sweetest lady named Ricky and chatted it up with her for a bit. Ricky, if you were watching, it was so great to meet you. Had a great visit with her. But anyways, you guys, check out these super cute initial mugs that I got there. These are going to be great for front porch coffee sipping, that's for sure. All right, so I told you that I was going to be out and about today, and I stopped by the farm here to check on the status of things and let my mom see the farm. Looks like the gas guys are working, but we have some unfortunate news. They also hit our water line. So yeah, there goes our electric company guy, Chris. He's super nice, and he is going to get things rolling for Curry and Braeden to get power as soon as possible. But Mike's been here doing trim and all that jazz, so we'll go inside and see what he's done. Once again, do not try this at home, kids. Stopped by to see what Mike's doing, and said he wasn't vlogging, so here we go, vlogging for him. Here's my mom and Curry being silly and goofy as usual. Mike actually got a whole lot of trim done today. I love how he trimmed out the front of the loft. Just really kind of accentuates that opening. Still have to paint that caulking up at the top that you see, but again, just all the little bitty things, you know, that we have to finish up. All this trim still has to get painted. He was so sweet and kind and taped it all off and papered it all off for me, so that'll be a whole lot easier. He got some of this over by the steps done as well, and then we of course have to finish out the steps. Hey there.
Hello, hello, hello.
Week 39, gone. So this was a very, yeah, you're wearing the same thing again this
I know,
week.
I wear it a lot, but
Not me.
my Colorado makes me feel like we're in Colorado right now. It is cold.
Today it's like 43 out, which is not really that bad, but wind chill 33 or lower.
North wind.
And all of you Canadians are probably making fun of us, but we don't like cold weather. So I had to go get my coat out of storage this morning. So
It's going to be cold for the next 8, 9, 10 days. So
yeah.
we'll do lots of stuff. Of course, that's all we're doing anyway. We've got a lot of trim. We've got this room is just almost completely done, and a couple other rooms are almost done. I've got one more pretty full day, and I'll knock everything else out. And then
I gotta paint it all.
she's got lots of caulking and painting to do, but we're putting the paper down on the ground. It's working out. So you probably saw the gas is here. We had the electric guy for Braeden and Curry's house came. That guy's great. His name is Chris, and he goes out of his way for everybody.
PSO?
PSO.
Yeah.
He's just
super nice.
You know, he needs a raise. So if his supervisors are listening, that guy, I mean, he is a supervisor. He's great.
Yeah.
I really, you know, it's just nice when people take care of you and they do their job. And these guys came out and did a wonderful job. I didn't, you know, it wasn't necessarily their fault, but when they bored underneath the road, they actually hit the water line, and so now we don't have water. So that's fun. You know, one more thing to think about.
We have toilets that we can't flush.
Yeah, but now the ONG is, you know, getting to the last leg, and Karen's filmed some of that, I think. So anyway, I'm not much of a filmer, but I did film a couple things. So
I've been with my mom and family that are in town today. So I'm not here working today, but I came by to show them the farm and video him some and see what's going on. It's been a super short week. I don't feel like we've accomplished a whole lot, but we really have. Getting my studio trimmed out and all that.
it's all these little intricate things. It's just like I told Karen when I do some of the stuff around the beams, and you do, you know, it's just little cut, bigger cut, angle cut, and, you know, you just, yeah, it takes a little bit, but anyway, we'll be in here before we know it. Excited about it.
I just got an email just like 20 minutes ago from Jenny, our cabinet gal. Cabinets are in, well, all but two, but I'm trying to see if they can get those delivered to us on Monday. And then that means Jimmy can come set our cabinets, and then Marble Elegance can come do their templates, and then our granite. So it's happening slowly but surely. My mom said she feels really bad for us, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's not like we have a horrible living condition.
No,
the Rigs have
good.
been so gracious to us. I've told you that, and we are super grateful for that. And I'm just ready to be here because I like to wake up in the mornings, get my coffee, and go into my studio at the old house, and that's what I'm looking forward to doing here at this house.
Yeah,
So
it's good stuff. So we've talked longer than normal, but our video is shorter than normal. So hopefully you didn't mind us blathering about. But wanted to encourage you to, you know, love the people around you. Found out a really good friend of ours was given 6 months to live, and he is
near
very,
and
very
dear to our hearts.
special guy. That's what the doctor said. It's not what God determines. So we don't know, but it's really hurting our hearts. And you know, so if you got somebody in your life that you haven't talked to in a while, make sure you do that. God bless.
Have a great week.
You guys, we really appreciate you watching. If you have not yet checked out the Flipping the Farm playlist, please do so. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share our vlog. Thanks again for watching.